How to embed Canva in Wix. So in order to embed your Canva on Wix, I have in here this particular Canva design that I have. Now into this, I can actually embed it by clicking onto the share option. And for this, you can click onto this embed option that you can see right here. So head over and click on it. Then after that, this will give you an HTML embed code. In this case, let me head over and copy this. Now, once you're done with your Canva part, you can head over to your Wix Studio Editor. And I have in here this blank part. Let me click on this plus icon right here in order to add an element. Now, onto the quick add, just scroll down and then drag and drop iframe right here. Just put that wherever you want to put it. And then after that, just head over and click on this enter code. And then it will open this window. So just paste in here what we have copied from Canva and click on this update option. And then just wait for this code to be actually reflected into this part. So as you can see, it's already reflected and it just takes some time to load the design. But what it does, you should be able to see in here the actual design that we have done on Canva. So that's how you embed Canva in Wix. Hope we helped.